Sister Slivarani, our headmistress, sisters from the management, staff, students, and dear parents. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sister.
I sat here without a words to tell because you have done it so well. So a big congratulations to all the students for your discipline, the way you spoke English and the way you marched out. It was super. So a big applaud to you. And I believe that all that you have done it not because of the smartphone. Smartphone never make you smart, but your hard work and determination have made it this day wonderful and successful. So I really feel you have done it well. Coming to the cabinet members, I congratulate you. And I came to know you are done democratic voting here and voted leaders you are. So in a democratic country, that you are going to practice democratism and voted leaders to become a school cabinet. So congratulations to all the newly elected leaders. And leadership is nothing but a leader should know the way, show the way, and walk the way. And I am sure you are the leaders who know how to lead your companions. You know how to take care of each one of us. So dear students, the nominated or elected cabinet members, I just want to tell you, be bold enough to be the voice of other companions of yours, and brave enough when you need to lead them and listen to them, and strong enough to inspire them. So I have only 3 words to you. Bold enough when others have no voice to speak out, you be the voice for them. And brave enough to listen to others whenever they need to talk to you. Listen to them, call them and participate in the activities of the school, and be strong to inspire. All these children should be inspired. Next year, I should be the head girl, I should be the captain. That feeling should come to you. So I wish you all that best. And my little children who are sitting here, what do you carry on this day's importance? Do you want to be good? Children, do you want to be good? Yes, you want to be good. So I tell you one small little story. There was a teacher. The teacher asked the children, what do you want to be? You want to be good or you want to be great? And teacher made a circle. Do you know what is a circle? Yeah, super, I know. So there is a circle 1 here and she wrote it good, and the other